Put a mask on your toilet flush and you will be shocked at the result. And if you are one of those people who love a nice smelling, clean and disinfected bathroom, this wonderful tip is for you. For it is with this tip that you will keep your bathroom in tip-top shape. Before I continue, I want to know from what city you are from following this video. Guys, I used to spend a lot of money on products to keep the toilet clean. And in fact, most of the time, these products only smell. I had to get my hands dirty, or else I wouldn't clean my toilet. Besides spending money on these products, and the products themselves, I also spent time and energy. But this suffering is past. What I am going to teach you today will leave you speechless. The first thing we will need, everyone has at home. A mask, a simple mask. It can be used, no problem. We will also need a pair of scissors. Cut one side of this mask, taking off the elastic part. And after cutting, you will see that it has formed a little bag. But don't discard the little piece that we cut off. Remove the rubber band that is attached, because we will need it. Keep the rubber band and the bag for now. Let's take one lemon, and cut it into smaller pieces to fit into the bag. Lemon is astringent, that is, it removes grease from everything. It is bactericidal and fungicidal. Not to mention the perfume, the scent that your bathroom will be left with. After cutting, add all the lemon pieces inside the mask. And the rubber band that we took out, that's what will close it here. Tie it up tightly, so that no lemon falls inside the flush. And it's very simple, you just hang this part of the drain and leave the little bag in the water, okay? That way all the benefits of the lemon will be in contact with the water. Wait 2 minutes and then flush. The longer this lemon stays there, the more effect it will have. I leave it for a week and a half, or more. Do it in your house and come back to tell me about it, okay? Today's message is from Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This verse is often used as motivation to achieve great things, but it has a much deeper meaning. In the previous verses, the Apostle Paul talks about how he learned to live contentedly in God in all circumstances. In joy and in sorrow, in strength and in weakness, in comfort and in pain, his strength to keep going was in God. At all times in life, whether good or bad, Jesus is our strength. This is very important. Thank you for watching us so far. Until the next video. Bye.